Today we will hack firmware 3.69 or 3.70 with Trinity. You will need firmware 3.69 or 3.70 and a PSP or mini game or demo downloaded from your PSN account. You will also need QCMA, psvimg-tools, and the Trinity file. Finally, FAT owners will need a memory card. I'm doing this on a PSTV, but the Vita is the same. If you're on 3.69, you can upgrade or use the DNS address on the screen. 3.70 is good to go. Download a PSP game or demo. In my region, LocoRoco has a free demo. Launch it, then hold down the PlayStation button. Ensure that it has a settings menu. Click Content Managers, copy content, and connect it to your PC. Select System to PC, Applications, PSP, and copy your game to your PC. Find your game in QCMA's Applications folder. You can open SCE-sys to check the icon. Back up your game to a safe location. Copy the name of the parent folder and submit it on cma.henkaku.xyz to get your decryption key. Copy the files for PSVImg-tools to the Games folder, then press Shift and right-click on an empty space. Select Open PowerShell window here. Decrypt your game with psvimg-extract. Replace your key with your decryption key. Open the folder inside the new game deck folder. Copy the Trinity PBOOT file here. Encrypt your game with the psvimg-create command. Remove game deck and the psvimg-tools files and refresh your QCMA database. In Content Manager, select to transfer from your PC to your system, then Applications, PSP, and copy your game. It is very important that you reboot and confirm that there are no running downloads. Run Trinity and Construct should launch. Run Install Henkaku and download Vita Shell. Now that you have Henkaku, the first step that you should take is to downgrade your Vita. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Wilson Minute. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and if applicable, watch the next and previous videos in this series. If you would like to help support this channel, I have listed ways to do so in the video's description. You miss 100% of the shots you don't take. Wayne Gretzky, Michael Scott.